Guess I will start streaming. Joseph said, bro, NQ looks like it's ready to explode. I hope so. Just keep in mind, I would be so incredibly surprised if big money made a big move before 2 o'clock today. Not saying that we can't go down to, pre-market lows, but I was surprised we also made any move yesterday, but yesterday was chop, kind of, chop, 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 move, chop, 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 move, chop, 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 move. So if you weren't really watching, I think what I'm getting at is I think people lost all of the profit they made in this drop down, in this chop, and then the same thing here. Same thing here. Chop or move, and then probably lost the money trying to catch the next short. All right, let me clean up this real quick. Somebody's hot mic'd. um. Okay. Gold all night last night just to move up. Nick, I saw you said you entered gold. I didn't see any trims or anything. Oh, you got short. Oh wait, no. You got long 2303. It never hit your stop. Did you stay in it or did you get out? Oh, nice. Nice, nice. Oil looks like a double top breaking out right now. Yes, breaking down a little bit. Remember, just playing defense today. Just playing defense. Tomorrow we can get a little bit aggressive. I think the overall thought process going into a trading day should always be defense. Then once you have a good feel on if it's going to move or not, then you can start getting more on the offense and whatnot. CL does look really nice for a short. Or sorry, NQ. What's happening, Deontay? Good to see you, man. Back to a 2-2. Looking for low day. I'm grabbing short here, 75.25. I know it's a new 5-minute candle coming. Just a feeler out right now. Oil still going up. Yes, looking short. While NQ is messing around. I mean, what is this? ES is literally about to break down and NQ's going up. Just a starter size, but about to get stopped out. Alrighty, stopped out. Feeler was felt. I think if ES starts to give in to the upside, then NQ is going to pop. But that was also kind of following ES looking short. I think it's just struggling at the 50s. There's not a huge block of orders there, but certainly are some. Yeah, there goes ES. At the 50s now, NQ holding strong. Probably waiting a minute and a half. See what this 5-minute close is. If it goes 2 up, then valid longs. Although the 15 is still inside the first 15-minute candle. So it might be best to just sit hands on bet. We have news at 10, don't we? Oh, and 9:45. 9:45, 10. Yeah, 10's actually going to be a pretty big one, so I'll wait till the 10 o'clock candle. More than likely. If I can find a good setup before then to get break even, that'd be nice, but we'll see. I'm taking this short, 76.25. Again, feeler size, about half the normal size. And then I'll add in if it does break down this this level short. All right, taking it off for now. I want to see a 5-minute below. Didn't break that. That whole trade was expecting it to break low of day. So it's still valid shorts. I mean, barely, but still valid shorts. I just don't want to sit and draw down. I might just switch to ES since that's the one that looks the best. Two one two down. Oh, voice crack. 212 down on NQ there. I got filled on a stop order, 67.25 short. ES is breaking down as well. This is a tight leash, 3 minutes before red folder news. If it goes 2 down, I'll leave it. Okay. There's 10 points. So out of break even hit. All right, hard break even on right now. I will let you know if it gets hit. All right, just triggered out break even. All good. Man. There is also crude inventories today. So make sure that if you are trading gold or oil at 10:30 that you're in a position you want to be in and not in a position you don't want to be in. If you are planning to hold. All right, 30 seconds to news. Make sure you're in a position you want to be in and not in a position that you don't want to be in. Kind of right back in the chop zone. Don't be silly. Don't be chasing this. Let it find its logical trend. Let it find its trend, and then we'll hop on that logical trend. Wicked below the 50s there on NQ. I'll take a 3-2 down short. Back above the 50s. I have a sell stop at 40.50 for your 3-2 down. All right, canceling that order short. Looking for a 222 here on oil. Okay, just back to watching for now. That was an exciting 50 seconds. Hopefully nobody blew their accounts. Trying to gamble that. I'm really tempted to be short here, but I'm waiting for a 1 minute signal. Might wait for a 5-3-2 as well. 5 minute 3-2. I do have a sell stop at 40 flat. It would be a 15 minute 222, a 1 minute 222, and a 5 minute 3-2. If it goes outside, I'll cancel here. All right, canceled NQ. Oil looks like it's curling back down for a bit for a little retrace. Gold. 212 up on the 15. 222. Might have to get in gold. NQ curling back up. Looking at gold here. I am in gold, 2319.8. Seemingly found a failed 2 there. NQ dropping now. Still in gold for now. Seeing if it's going to hold over this fair value gap. Or not. All right, all out gold. Hmm. I want to go short NQ, just having a little bit of trust issues. Also, a little bit of trust issues on gold. But gold's inside now, so not interested. I'm switching to high risk accounts for the rest of the morning. One minute left on this 5-minute candle and a 15. Might need to turn on the chop trading mode. Look at that fair value gap, though. Beautifully respected. All right. Yeah, NQ and ES back in the chop box. Gold kind of disrespectfully went back above my break even. Actually above half R. Oil, not super interested in. 15-minute ended a failed to down, or sorry, a failed to up. So probably looking bullish, if anything, on oil. Or sorry, bearish. I'm completely backwards. Failed to up, leaning bearish. Man, look at this gold. Stopped to break even yesterday. Or no. What's today? Yeah, yesterday. Had the move. Looking for 2-2 up on NQ. Inside on the 15 would be a B setup here. See if anything else is moving at all. Nope. RTY moving? Nope. RTY is worse than the other two. Just a hands-on butt moment right now. Capital preservation. Garrett, what do you mean when you switch to high risk accounts? Garrett, so I have accounts that I stop at plus or minus 2R for the day. And those also, like if I trade Asia session, which I don't like myself doing, but sometimes I do trade NK, the Nikkei in the afternoon or the late night. Late night, like 8 p.m. to the midnight, somewhere in there. And so those are actually at 2R, but so then I go to my regular accounts where I'll trade past 2R. I don't have a limit other than the -3 or -4R. And then the high risk accounts are higher lot size. Usually it's accounts that are, well, just have higher risk tolerance. Kind of scratches a higher risk itch if you need it. So if you don't separate your accounts like that, it's been very helpful for me, especially the 2R accounts. I just stop plus or minus 2R. Sometimes you end up with red days that should be green, but a lot of days I end up green with days that should be red. So but yeah, high risk accounts are usually either fresh funded accounts and or evals. Well, I should say and evals. If I'm trading one at that time. But 2-1-2 up now. Still just don't love that. I don't want to see gold short. Just sitting hands on butt for now. Gold did trigger the 212 down. Oil triggered 212 up. Possible outside bar here on NQ. Looking short gold. It's really the only thing I see that's attractive to me right now. To be expected. Grabbing gold. 2316.6. I'll add under this breakout actually. I did a oopsie. Come on, trigger. There it is. There's 1R on gold. I'm actually going to trail the rest of this. 2315.9 is my stop. QQQ. Oh, gotcha. Okay. You fixed it. Just trying to take a little extra profit. NQ back in the chop zone. All right, stopped out of gold. A little bigger size there, but tighter stops. Pretty good setup there. 2-1-2 down on the 5. Inside 15, but 2-2 reversal on the 1 is the trigger. Back to hands on butt for now. Looks like we're clawing up on NQ. I'm in NQ 74. Got a horrible. I tried to put brackets on, it didn't work. Taking some here at 8. That did not work how I wanted it to. All right, closing the rest. What happened? Still green. I didn't change my order size, so I closed more than I wanted to. Okay. All good now. Oil looking a little short now. Ooh, look at that outside bar on NQ. Said, nope, let's go back to where we just were. 50 seconds on a new 5-minute candle. Clawing my way back green. Okay, oil dropping like it's hot. Oh, 10:30 news. LOL. It's causing NQ to get a little bit of movement. 2-1-2 up on NQ. See, gold looking like it's curling back down, 2 down there. Oil still whips on like crazy. Looking for a 2-1-2 down on gold. Also looking bullish on NQ with that 212 up, but we'll see. Just checking everything out. Gold is very intriguing short to me. Not sure I want to touch oil yet. All right, now it's a 212 down on oil. Filled oil short 70 point or 80.74. What is this? If this doesn't start going, I'll tight leash. All right, closing seal. Wasn't kidding. Not messing around with retracements in this pre-federal funds rate. Oh, missed out gold. Shoot. Shoot me. That is unfortunate. $50 on this new 5-minute candle. Looking at CL again. That's in this fat fair value gap. And Q just chopping upwards. ES not moving. Gold just missed. Looking to take gold short. And Q 5-minute inside bar. It's actually almost triggered to the upside on NQ. I'm in NQ long 83.75. Valid on all 3 time frames. There's 10 points on 10 points on NQ. I would be pleasantly surprised if NQ broke the 500s here. All right, stopped out the rest on NQ. Okay. Took a good setup, worked out. I still want the next leg on CL here. All right. Lots of trade quantity today. CL taking that next step down. 40 seconds for a new 5-minute candle. Looking for the 222 continuation short. And Q kind of turned around right after wicking me out, but not super interested in it. Don't think it has that much room to the downside, or sorry, to the upside. I think it's just going to find its home until 2 o'clock. Taking oil short. Oh, no, wrong button. 55. Finger is on the close. This could go. That'd be sweet. Okay. Might put stops up to the high of this previous 1 minute candle. Yeah. Stops to the previous 1 minute candle. So pretty much break even on CL. Nothing happening with NQ. Looking across, gold still moving a little bit down. Not really. It's just been doing 2-1, 2-1, 2-1. All right, all out oil. Back in oil, 48. There's 20 ticks. Literally got wicked out, and then glad I saw it go back down. Pretty big wick there. Had gold right again. I might just need to give this thing, let this thing, just gold go back to break even with partials and not stop me out automatically. It's like clockwork. I have it correct, and then just usually wicked out. But it's part of the plan. 2-point stops are real tight, to be fair. But day like today, got to be tight. Usually, I'm pretty sure. Usually, I'm 40 ticks on oil. Right now, I'm 20 ticks. So. Okay, working back green. Gotta maintain where I'm at. Might be taking the oil down a little bit early compared to letting it go back to break even. We shall see. It's kind of, if it can hold under this level right here at 80.30, I mean, it hasn't been this low in a while, since March. So we got a fair value gap right here. Pretty much, yeah, down to here. And after that, it's order block, another 20 points away. It's got a long way down. Kind of getting ahead of myself thinking about that, but it hasn't been this low in a while. Oil's been on a rip. New fiver here. Equanimity, deep trade natural gas. I do not. Never have, actually. I've never placed an order on. And is it NG? I think that's what it is on Thinkorswim. Jay Will said I'm sitting out until we're trading above or below the 10 a.m. 15-minute candle. It's probably wise. Might be wise to just sit out anyway. Mr. Unemployed said I'm leaving this alone. Yep. Done all right on the commodities this morning. All right. Looking for the next leg down on ES. Oh my gosh. CL. I have just said so many incorrect things this morning. Just in terms of verbiage. I'm not even tired. I got good sleep. Maybe that's why. I'm spoiled. G22 on the 5 here. 2 on the 1. I have a limit sitting at 08. See if she can get a fill. All right, back to green now. Taking a little extra to secure that. So I can assure you I'm not getting 10R. Okay. This could really just keep going. I mean, we're not even on a new hourly candle yet. 3-2 on the hourly would just shove this thing down to the downside. Forger, yeah, I'm in CL short. I have been since 45-ish, 10:45. Trailing stops up to 27 though. Do that. Is that at 1 o'clock, the rate decision? It's at 2 p.m. Eastern. Well, I think actually the conference is at 2:30 Eastern. So, yeah. All right, looking for the next leg here. Probably going to just trail this. Stop didn't get hit because it was above this fair value gap. So I'm probably just going to let this go and check on it every couple minutes, maybe every 5 minutes or so. I have a stop in place at 80.27, a buy stop. So it'll get me out of the rest of my position there. Secure green for the day. Other than that, just going to let that thing roll out and call it a day here. Ooh, nice leg down here. I really think that this thing could fall for a while, but obviously I'm break even. That is the key there. Probably not a great entry for those who aren't in. Probably not a great entry right here, but yeah, we'll circle around, probably around federal funds rate. There's a chance I will be available. We shall see. If I am, I'll run a stream. If not, I will not. But I'll be on baby duty, so might be on the mobile. Definitely not a YouTube stream. It'll just be on the cord. So, because I'll have to be on my laptop. Alrighty. Well, I will see y'all here later. If you're gonna keep trading, trade safely. Don't force trades. Honestly, might not be a bad idea to just stick on the 5-minute chart, because the 1 minute's gonna include a lot of fake outs. Oh my, this is a lot of stuff. So just be careful. 60, the hourly just triggered actually 3-2 on oil. So this could be just a trade that I take for a while, but we shall see. Alrighty guys, love y'all. I will see y'all definitely tomorrow, maybe later today. Alrighty, trade safe. Use stop losses. Don't blow your account one trade. That's silly. See you later. Unemployed. There's a chance I'll be on baby duty. My wife's sleeping, so because she worked last night. So if he allows me, then absolutely I'll be around. But remember, if you haven't traded with me for one of these events, I don't take a trade before at least 2:45. If you take a trade before that, hard truth is you're gambling. So please don't. We're not gamblers here. We treat this like a job in a business. So there's no trades before 2:45 for me. Really would be tempted to not do anything before 3. We'll see, especially with, I'm pretty sure this is the funds rate. So this is where we'll be hearing if they're cutting or not. And I'm pretty sure we're not expected to cut till the summer. So honestly, just could be a nothing burger. Reading chat. Gotcha. Okay. Perfect. And Carlton said, thanks, Jesse. You're welcome. Alrighty, guys. I'll see you later. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Love you all.